Hello guys and welcome back. Super Mario Sergey here, and today's tutorial is on how to get Sony Vegas Pro 11 on Windows XP, Vista, or Windows 7 like you see here. For Windows XP, most of you know that you can't download it, and you're thinking that it's not gonna work, but just trust me, okay? Because I have two downloads down below to turn your Windows XP into a Windows 7 in order to download Sony Vegas Pro 11, because it only allows Vista with Service Pack 3 or a Windows 7 computer. The rest it does not allow. Maybe, I'm not sure about Macs, but this is for Windows computers. Now, one thing is that this is a tutorial for 32-bit computers only. Now, if you're on Windows 7, in order to see if you're 64-bit or 32-bit, you must go on Start, Control Panel, and then it might be in category view like this, and if it is, just click on category and then go to either large or small icons. Small icons fits all the icons into one screen. Large icons brings all of them with the scroll menu, but they're larger. I prefer large icons. Let's go on that, and then you want to find something called System right here, and you want to click that, and then over here you go to System, and then you go down here, and then you see System Type, and then it says 32-bit operating system. Now if yours says 64-bit operating system, this tutorial will not work for you, and please do not attempt it, because if you use these stuff that if you use this stuff that I'm about to show you, it will basically ruin your computer, crash it. You'll have to recover it. So I don't recommend it for 64-bit. Okay, so now that we're done with that, Windows XP, I'll have another tutorial later on how to install the Windows 7 Ultimate, and then you could get Vegas Pro 11. I'll have that probably up today also, or maybe some other time, but for now I'm just showing how to get Sony Vegas Pro 11 full version for free. Alright, now what you want to do is go on your internet. Oh, and by the way, here's what Sony Vegas Pro 11 looks like. It's basically exactly the same like Sony Vegas Pro 10, but it has smoother graphics and smoother animation. I can't show you it right now because it'll kind of slow down my computer, because I'm already running it at a pretty fast rate. So I'll just minimize that. And okay, so for this we will go to Sony, or no, let's just Google Sony Vegas Pro 11, and then you go to Sony Creative Software. Just go to SonyCreativeSoftware.com, and then go to Downloads. Just click Downloads, Trials and Demos, and then look down here and you'll find Vegas Pro, and then here it is, Vegas Pro 11. And for 32 bits, of course, you will have to do 32-bit. Now you choose, like, if you're a different language and you want that, you have to do that. but make sure it's 32-bit, because you could see at the end here it says 64-bit. You could choose between which ones. This, and like I said before, this tutorial only works with 32 bits. Now I already installed Vegas Pro 11, and I don't really want to do it again, but I'll put the link up in the description so that you don't have to Google and stuff. And then I'll have another file on there for the crack and Keygen. Now basically what the crack and Keygen does is, wait, let's exit out here. What the crack and Keygen does is that it's here, let's see it. Crack and Keygen, and then you must, after you download Sony Vegas Pro 11, like when you first get it off the internet and then it asks you for the setup, when you finish the setup, don't do anything else, exit out of it, then go to Sony Vegas Pro patch.exe. Well, yours might not say .exe, it'll probably just say Sony Vegas Pro patch, and then this will pop up, and then you click on this kind of like movie cut, that the people that use it to go cut, yeah, whatever, and then you go to local disk C, program files, then you go down to Sony, right here, then you just click Vegas Pro 11, and then you click OK, there it is, and then you click this button, plus button, that will add it onto the script, and then you click crack me. I don't want to do that again or else it might mess it up, so I'm not going to do that. But when it's done, there will be a bar down here where the where this black bar is, and when it finishes, it says enjoy, and then you click X, and this weird smiley face with the X to exit out. And then when you're using the setup, you open up Keygen. Then you could open up Sony Vegas Pro 11 again, and then you open this up, and then you might have to run it as administrator, and to do that, you just right click. Sorry, it's kind of slow. And then click run as administrator. And this will only work if you are actually on the administrator. Okay, and wait, yeah, here it is. You click it, and don't be scared because there'll some music will start playing. You might hear it right now, maybe you won't. I'll turn off the volume. It's like some funky retro music. And then what you do is you go down here to Vegas Pro 9.0. I know, it's not Vegas Pro 11. Just keep watching. You go to Vegas Pro 9.0, 32 and 64-bit series. Click on that. Click generate, and then you copy this code. Copy it. Yeah, and then when you paste it in where it says that, you change the H to a T, and then you copy it, paste it in, and then when you could see what it says, like for Vegas Pro 11, for Vegas Pro 10, it was IR1R8. So you change the HF to R8, and it said it right, and it said it there. So you change the last two letters to what it is. It shows it on there, and then you continue. And then it asks you for a registry, and then you could put in fake things, and you want to click. Oh, first you want to click register from a different computer, and then register. It could be fake information, it could be real information, it doesn't really matter. And then when you're done with that, it'll ask you for an activation and authentication code, and then down here you will copy it right here. You copy and then paste it in there, and then click continue, and there you have it. So I will have the downloads and stuff in there, and this was Super Mario Surgery. Peace.